Hey, what's up? Travis here with a quick update on my Madcow, the Madcow version of Bill Starr's 5x5 workout spreadsheet. I assume you've already seen the first video, so this is going to be just the updates only. First thing you're going to notice is I've rebranded everything with Violent Zen. That's my new company. That's where I'm moving everything to from DIY, and all my new updates, new spreadsheet updates, new content, and a lot of new other things are going to be on Violent Zen. But don't worry, DIY is not going away. All the links should now point to Violent Zen. If something does still point to DIY strength training, don't worry about it. Besides the rebranding of this, the one thing that I did was I added an assistance work tab. I've had a lot of questions about assistance work. This may not answer them specifically, but this is a list of just random stuff. I don't do all of this, but it's a place that you can come in. You can add in assistance work for lower or upper. I didn't break it out by lift or anything like that, or body part. Feel free to change this. Just keep everything within the yellow. And the reason you want to keep it within the yellow is because when you come over here to the tabs, and this applies to the portrait version and the landscape version, when you come over here and you can select your assistance work now. So you got the lower and the upper, and like I said, feel free to change it, or if you want to, you can actually just type in whatever you want. So those are the biggest changes right there, and you can still modify anything within here. The other thing too is I get some questions sometimes about what to do when you get to week 9, and what you can do, and what I do, is I will take my last set that I've hit my 5 on, like 356 here on squat, and these are all just random numbers, but I'll take that and then I'll come back over here to week 1 and I'll put that in 356 by 5. What that'll do though is you'll notice it does drop you down a little bit, so it's kind of like a little mini reset. If you wanted to, you could play around with it, and that's what I do a lot of times is I will actually put in more so that I make sure I get the 356 right here. So you may need to go up to, and that's not going to be correct, but you may need to go up to like 375, and that's close. But I will reset sometimes, and I'll just put in the 356 by 5 and go with that. So that's it. Like I said, I hope you enjoy the minor changes. I did clean up a little bit of the formatting and updated all the links, like I said. So if you have any questions or you find anything that seems off or incorrect, please let me know. This has been Travis with Violent Zen, and remember, it's not about how you train, it's about why you train.